Loom is a free website and also a free app that lets you quickly record and share your videos. So on Loom, you could record your computer screen, for example, with or without your webcam, and you can also make all kinds of different adjustments like trimming your video, adding music to your video, and also adding a title description so your video can be easily readable by anyone. And most of all, you can also share your video privately, or you could share it using a public link. And they also recently added some really useful AI tools that I'll cover at the end of this video, so stick around so you don't miss out. That being said, let's get started. So to start using Loom, just click on the link below this video and then select Get Loom for free. Now, I'll sign up for a brand new account using Google. Now, it may ask you for some few questions here. So just go through the setup process and answer the questions. There are a couple of different ways you can use Loom to record your screen. The Chrome extension is also useful if you are using Chrome as a browser, and they also have an independent app on Play Store. You could also use that as well. But here I'm using Loom on my browser, and this is where I'm going to show you all of the options Loom has. Now, inside of our Loom dashboard, I am under the My Library tab. This is where all of your Loom recording will appear, as we don't have any yet. Here on the home page, we have a blank home page, but once we start recording our video, all of our video will appear on the My Library tab. On the left hand side, you can also invite teammates to work with you on your project. This is a great way for you to create a link and share it with people you want to manage your Loom account. Now let me show you the pricing plan Loom has. Here in this video, we are covering how to use Loom for free. So we are using the free option here, but with this option, you only have 25 videos per month, and also your video limit is 5 minutes. So if you want to record longer videos, this business plan gives you unlimited recording. So this is a perfect reason to upgrade. And also, if you are recording more than 25 videos per month, you could also upgrade for that reason. But with this free option, we are ready to create our first Loom video. So to start recording your video, on the very bottom here, select the record a video button, and then it's going to bring out this pop-up. Over here, you can select how you want to record your video. Either you want to record both your screen and camera, or only your screen. You have the options to choose from. I'll go with the screen only option here. And under it, we have the recording settings. This is where you can choose your recording applications. If you have a webcam or a microphone plugged in externally on your device, you can select them here. Because I choose the screen only option, I don't have access to my webcam here, but let me select my microphone here. Also, we have this advanced option, which is called recording countdown. This is a cool feature you can toggle on, but you can also toggle it off just to fit your style. What it does is it creates a 3 seconds countdown before you start your video, so you can adjust your timing to that. But if you just want to start recording right away, you can turn it off. But I'll leave it like this, and as soon as we have all these settings ready, just select start recording. Now it's bringing out this dialog. This is where you can choose which part of your screen you want Loom to capture. For example, you can allow it to capture your Windows tabs, your entire screen, or a tab on your Chrome browser. Now, I want to capture this particular tab on my Chrome browser, so I'll select this and then select share. Now, as you can see, our recording has started. Once we are done recording, just select stop sharing, and here it's going to open up the video inside of Loom. Now, if you press play, you can see everything you just recorded here. So before we hit the share button, we need to make some adjustment to our video. So this brings us to the editing dashboard of Loom. Up above, you have the summary generated by Loom AI, and it's going to create an automatic title based on your recording, but you can always come back here to change it. Once I'm done making changes, just hit enter and that's it. Now for this video bonus, Loom now has its own AI, and as you can see, its recommendations are pretty high. With Loom AI, you can remove filler words, remove voice silences, and a lot of different options to choose from. So let's head over to the transcript tab here. Here you can see all of the actual words that are spoken in your video, and you can also come over here to correct the transcript. I'll leave it the way it is because all the text looks correct. So let's go out to the edit tab. To edit our Loom video, select the trim and stitch option. Now this is going to open a basic video editing dashboard. You don't have to use any kind of premium editing tools. Loom AI lets you edit anything you want. With this video editor, you can split any section of your video, or you can even trim any aspect of your video by dragging this slider forward or backwards if you want to enlarge it. So I'll leave it like this. And also, to split your video, just drag the playhead to the part of the video you want to split. Then select split, and then you can either drag this forward or backward. Also, if you make a mistake doing editing, you have the options to easily go back to the previous mode by selecting this button here. With this editor, you could also add clips to your video to make it more lively, but I'll call out of this and select save and exit. Now once I'm all done editing my video, I think it's ready for sharing. So over on the top menu bar, you have this link icon. Once you select it, it instantly copies the link to the video in Loom, but you can also share it directly from here, where you also have lots of different sharing options. You could share it with people within your Loom account. Also, you could share it with popular social media platform, or you could also embed it on your website, which is really nice. Over here, you also have the options to apply privacy to your links to make it more secure. And once your video is all done and ready, it's time for export. Up above, just select the three dot or the ellipse button here, and then select download video, then select download video again, and that's it. Your free tutorial on how to use Loom screen recorder. To see more videos like this, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.